Wow, Wonder Woman.
Welcome to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood vlog video on Theme Park Life, because I didn't do an intro, so this is filmed afterwards.
As we are in this studio tour, it's only about a week or just under since Matthew Perry sadly died. So rest in peace, one of our comedy icons. Very sad, but got some good TV shows here like Gilmore Girls, which Claire likes to watch. So got also scary warning, there's Pennywise the Clown, something that traumatised me for half of my life, so it's good to see that. And yes, here is Soldier Boy from The Boys.
Dean from Gilmore Girls?
Dean from the Gilmore. Wait, this is the guy.
Yeah,
this is the guy you sat. I don't know if you've ever seen Gilmore Girls, guys. This one, but he sat like. Claire will be watching it and I'll be sat editing or something, and like Rory is speaking to this like old dude, this like 50-year-old dude, and talking about dating and stuff, and I turn around and it's this guy. He sounded like he was 50 when he was like 15. It's absurd. And then is this the
yeah, that's
the golden years or something,
yeah,
what are they called?
was it Gilmore Girls,
The reunion or
yeah,
reunion tour.
I can't remember what it's called.
Yeah, but yeah, it's a lovely little. This is just before the actual tour, so I think we're about half an hour early. And then there's some sort of tour segment from Aylesbury to Los Angeles. Parts of Clockwork Orange, parts of A Clockwork Orange were filmed in Aylesbury. So yeah, one of my favourite filmmakers here, James Wan, with Vera Farmiga. Vera Farmiga is is that The Conjuring, I assume?
Yeah.
Yeah, Conjuring. Very good. Lad. Tim. Clint Eastwood's second best picture. What was his first then?
What?
That's Clint Eastwood's second best picture. What was his first then? What was his first best?
Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Sorry, Potter in it. Good. Wow. Wow. Slightly sun faded almost, that one. Worn by Heath Ledger. Oh, that is Arnold Schwarzenegger there. Wow, that's cool. Linda Carter. Doesn't actually say worn by Linda Carter though. It may be. Christopher Reeve. And of course the unmistakable Christian Bale. No, obviously Michael Keaton. Wow, that is frickin' sick, mate. The new Batmobile. That is sick. Just a tiny smidge to the left. That's it. Come on, do a pose. Brilliant. Look at this. I just went up to this. I was like, it's like trench creature costume. You can't see it. So I went up to the glass and like peered in. And Claire, do you wanna look what bloody happened to me? Yeah, that happened. Oh, I basically got up to it and it flashed on. I was like, for God's sake. Absolutely good little effect that actually. Oh wow. Don't know what that was. Oh, that is freaking sick, mate. Batwing vibes.
Take a look at the book. The correct list of ingredients is here. You got 3 stations. Everybody can get a chance.
Oh, no, you do it.
No,
Add one.
pressure on me.
Okay, right, there's all. Oh, wow. Add a dash of standard ingredient. Add powdered unicorn. Add mistletoe berries. Unicorn wine. Mistletoe berries.
Well done.
I'm a good wizard. I'm going to kill all of the muggles now. What? I'm a dark wizard. I'm a dark wizard. I bet they had to import that British carpet. The cupboard under the stairs. Child abuse.
Dobby told Harry Potter not to go back to Hogwarts.
This feels a bit wrong. Please experience this child abuse scenario. It's actually, it's what?
Beanie Baby.
Oh, it's bigger than he had, honestly, isn't it? It's a lot bigger. Yeah. Yeah, I reckon I'll get it. Can you take some video of me being child abused? Yes. Cozy, but you don't really want to say it's cozy, do you? Because it's just abuse. So, not ideal, but... Did you actually, there's actually a Ford Anglia up there, did you see that? The gift store is very good. Lots of Gilmore Girls stuff, lots of DC and general Warner Brothers stuff. All obviously decked out for Christmas as well. Really good quality merchandise as well. Oh, that's good. Yeah, we've obviously just seen the pavilion, the bandstand. Shame that the badge isn't embroidered, but... No, those are nice. You could get them. What's this theme tune from? I have to say, the quality of the merchandise here is absolutely amazing. Like, genuinely really good stuff for all the different franchises. Really good cups. Really good quality magnets and stuff. Like, everything feels really good quality. It has a really good design. So yeah, I'm very impressed with the merchandise. This is the best section though, isn't it? DC, here we go. Oh wow, look at that cup. Look at that. Oh my god, it's massive as well. It's absolutely huge. Christ, I wouldn't need to refill that all day. Shame I don't like Superman that much. So we've just got out of the Warner Bros. Studio tour, which was bloody awesome.
Yeah, that's very good.
Absolutely loved it. Yeah, I wasn't really sure what to expect, but yeah, you weren't allowed to film everything. Obviously, we drove around on a little tour thing and whatnot. But some of the stuff that we did was like go inside. There's like a new Jennifer Hudson. Just the shadow on your head makes it look like you got like, you see that? It makes it look like you got a bruise on your head.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like this new Jennifer Hudson chat show, and we sat in the audience for that. Wasn't filming or anything, but we sat in the actual studio, like felt the outside, like the soundproofing on the walls, learnt loads of stuff about like filming and stuff. Obviously saw the very famous WandaVision bandstand.
No, that's not what it's famous for.
Gilmore Girls, yeah. Saw the Friends stuff, rest in peace Matthew Perry. Yeah, so really good, wasn't it, Claire?
Yeah, it's good. I enjoyed it. Saw Luke's Diner.
Yeah, Luke's Diner.
Yeah.
Their merch was fantastic.
Yeah.
as we just showed, and yeah, didn't have. I would have bought the Sinistro. Like, I'm a bit worried about my hair. I think it'll go eventually, and
You never wear hats though.
yeah, well, when my hair goes, I will wear hats. So, trying to future-proof. But yeah, I'm thinking that Sinistro core hat, bloody hell, that and the Star Sapphire ones could have both come home, but
Yeah.
no.
You have hats already at home.
Yeah, I
you
do
don't
have
wear.
hats I don't wear, so yeah. So we're just about to go into this comic shop, and they've got a bench outside which they've painted to be plastic, man. That's phenomenal. Wow, there's a Batman Hush statue there. It's Jim Lee. Yeah, look, Batman. Wow. Based on artwork by Jim Lee, yeah. That's sick. Oh my god. Ah. Fuck. That might be the coolest cinema I've seen. Oh look, just see the Christmas tree down there. Wow. You're obviously gonna help me with my math, right?
Never learn.
Well, no, this is alright. It's all light, sort of. So yeah, we just had lunch there at, what was it called? Woodcraft? Wood Ranch. Yeah, Wood Branch? Wood Crunch? I don't know, we can't remember what it's called. But look at, so this is Burbank. I think this is called Empire Center Burbank. Oh yeah, there you go, Burbank Empire Center. It's just this, I mean, you can see the mountains in the background, which is mental. Like, yeah, unreal. And then the weather's absolutely incredible today, by the way. It's so warm and lovely. It's a very different kind of heat to Florida, which is was like our normal sunny holiday. So it's not humid, it's dry, isn't it? But it's lovely, isn't it? It's really nice. But this like whole just line of shops is just absolutely massive. There's so many cars, it's really busy. So we've got like Target, TJ Maxx, Walmart down there. Those are the three that we're going to go in. Yeah, lovely. It does sound like the Ed Sheerans. Dinner face reveal. Oof. Damn, that looks good. So it's now the next day. I believe the last shot you saw was us eating pizza, I think. Yeah, we didn't actually fully explain what happened yesterday. Basically, we're supposed to stay in this other hotel that we booked, which I think I showed some footage of, for like 4 nights, for the final 4 nights of the holiday. However, it was a bit of a sketchy area. We had someone knock on our door at 3 AM, sketched us out a bit. So we changed hotels and we came here for 1 night. This is the Tangerine. Absolutely lovely hotel, would thoroughly recommend it. Really, really nice, really lovely. We got a good rate for a single night because we came on a Sunday, which, Buttervision, which they apparently struggle to fill because business people are coming in, and it was basically the quiet day in LA. So yeah, that's why we got a good rate. But anyway, we're now off to Universal Studios today, so you can check out the next vlog, and I'll probably simply say goodbye here. Was there anything else I was going to mention? Oh yeah, basically after Universal today, we're actually heading back down to Anaheim. So we're in the Hollywood area at the moment. We just thought it'd be easier to head back down to Anaheim because then we're there for Knott's Berry Farm tomorrow. It'll mean no long drives tomorrow. We could just chill out. It's also a bit of a quieter area, so we can have more options for lunch and all that sort of thing. It'll be a little bit of a less stressful end to the holiday. And then on Wednesday, we'll drive across to the airport. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I think this was the Warner Brothers Studio Tour vlog. I'm losing track a little bit. I'll probably need to do loads of like narration type clips when we're back in the UK and when I'm editing these. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. We're off to Universal Studios. Let's go.